So we've got another great community to take a look at today.
Yes, I am excited about touring this community.
We're at Living Dunes, Myrtle Beach proper, along the Grand Strand. They have so much to offer. It's a great lifestyle community, which is what we're searching for.
Yes, exactly. And it is in the perfect location. The proximity to the beach, shopping, grocery stores, coffee shops, everything. It is absolutely perfect.
One of my favorite things is I know they offer a variety of floor plans for the consumer. So I'm excited to take a look at what they have to offer. And I believe Catherine is waiting for us at the model.
She is. Let's go join her now and check it out.
Let's do that. Oh, I love the door.
I do too. It's beautiful.
Let's take a look. Wow.
Wow, this is gorgeous.
This is really pretty. I love the colors.
I do too. I love how tall the ceilings are. It makes it feel open.
It makes it feel even bigger than it is.
It really does.
Yeah, wow.
It really does. And the floors?
Oh my gosh, look at that kitchen.
Oh my God, I love that work island.
That's nice.
Oh, it really is. I love the colors.
You like it?
Yes.
Welcome, Jennifer and Jason, to Living Dunes. I'm so glad you're here today. I want to show you this beautiful home.
We'd love to take a tour.
Thank you for having us. This
Absolutely.
is so pretty.
Hi, I'm Catherine Hill with CRG Real Estate and Living Dunes. Tell me your first impressions of the neighborhood.
Driving in, it was beautiful. I love this neighborhood.
It's really pretty. It's so colorful. I feel like I'm in the Caribbean.
It's really modeled after Rainbow Road, homes in Charleston.
I can see that.
Yeah, I can feel that too.
Absolutely. Walkable community. Everybody has a golf cart here. They golf cart over to the beach. They golf cart over to the shops and restaurants. Half a mile from the beach, half a mile from the intercoastal. We're in a prime spot here.
That's awesome.
That is awesome. And I love the inside. The colors are great and this is very open. I love it.
We have a lot of different open floor plans
Yeah.
to suit every lifestyle, really. Masters down, masters up, lots of different homes here at Living Dunes to choose from.
Well, I can't wait to tour it.
Well,
Great.
All that talk about outside, I want to learn more about the outside. So I'm going to let you all do a house tour and I'll catch up with you later.
All right.
See you, Jennifer.
later.
See you, Catherine.
Bye. I love this kitchen. You've got to tell me all about it.
This is absolutely a beautiful kitchen in this home. We have a lot of options to change up the kitchen though.
Yeah.
You've got wood, melamine, MDF cabinets. They're all 42-inch, soft
see that.
close, dovetail drawers, super great quality.
Okay, you have to tell me about the gas top I see behind you.
Oh, absolutely. We're a natural gas community. Kind of rare here in Myrtle Beach, as you know.
It is.
And we use that for a lot of different features in the home. You've got a hood system you can add up here as a feature. We also offer different style hoods for that. You've got different cabinet colors, different sinks, countertops.
Tell me about
always
this.
a great feature in the home. This island is gorgeous, isn't it?
It is. Is it granite?
So granite is our base product. We do
Okay.
offer a quartzite, which is what this is. That's actually a natural stone. A lot of people get that confused with quartz. Quartz is a man-made product, and we do offer quartz countertops as well.
Nice.
Yes.
Yeah, it looks like a natural stone. You can
Yes.
see it, the depth of it.
You can see the little flecks in it. That's how you can always tell a quartzite when you look at it in the light. It's absolutely
beautiful.
gorgeous, isn't
It
it?
really is.
We do offer the microwave over here in the island. If you like to change it up a little bit, if you add a hood system to the home, you can have the sink. We offer farm sinks. This is a composite product sink right there. You've got the tile backsplash, which is beautiful. Some people choose to run it all the way up the wall. Some people just run it around the kitchen right here.
Nice. And can they change the angle? They can change the tile?
Oh, absolutely. We've got numerous choices of tile to choose from.
Wonderful.
We have a beautiful tile in our base product. The beautiful thing about this is all your appliances are included in the home, and you start off with a really great appliance package.
Nice.
You do have the ability to upgrade it. I have some people that want to do a cooktop with a wall oven. They want the refrigerator with the water and ice in the door, say. They want we have the ability to change up a lot of things in the kitchen.
So it sounds to me you have a lot of choices at the Design Center.
Yes, we do. We have a plethora of choices in the Design Center. Some people want all white cabinets. Some people want dark cabinets. Some people only want wood. You know,
Nice.
so we have all those choices and they're all in the base price.
Awesome. So I am loving this open floor plan. The kitchen open to the dining room, to the living room. This floor plan is just so bright and airy. There's so many windows. I love it.
Well, actually, Jennifer, the windows are one of our biggest selling points here at Living Dunes. They're hurricane impact windows. We offer so many windows in the homes. With the detached garages in the back, you actually get a whole nother wall of windows in your home.
Wow, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. It looks like another thing that helps it bright and open are the ceiling heights.
This particular plan starts with 10-foot ceilings, 8-foot doors, really opens up the space.
It does. It takes your eye up. Okay, so what about the floors? Because they're stunning.
Well, the floors are beautiful, and we offer, this is an engineered hardwood product here. We offer oak and pine. We offer a luxury vinyl plank and that ceramic wood look, which actually is good if you've got pets or something like that are a little harder on your floors.
Yes, I've seen a lot of that lately. Well, I love these. I cannot imagine what the owner suite's gonna look like. Can we go take a look at that?
Let's go look at it.
So Ben, thanks for being with us today.
Yeah, Ben Harper with SAU Insurance. Thanks for having me.
We're at Living Dunes here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, a great lifestyle community. And I hear that you're the guy to talk to with helping some of the homeowners get insurance.
Yeah, we've insured a good bit in here, and what we notice is a trend of people moving from up north down here.
Right.
Been with a carrier 20, 30 years. One important thing to do would be to contact a local agent and compare with the agent where you're from. A lot of times we see people that have been with a carrier 20, 30 years and just assume that the price is going to be much higher along the coast. And it may be slightly more than they're used to paying, but certainly not the prices we've seen from some bigger name carriers.
So in a community like this, here along the Grand Strand, where you have beautiful homes, lots of amenities, but you're less than a quarter mile to the beach, is it hard to get insurance?
I wouldn't say it's hard. We have many carriers that'll ride all the way to the coastline.
Okay.
And they specialize in this area with wind, hail, and hurricane coverage.
Oh, that's important. So you really specialize in that?
Yeah, we've got carriers that do, and we do as well. We know that the certain carriers, you know, the proximity to coast that they'll write.
Right.
And they also offer special discounts depending on the year the home was built, the type of builder you choose, and in this neighborhood specifically, they get some pretty good discounts based on the quality of construction.
I heard that you get very involved in the process. You're going to really find out the type of home that they're going to be purchasing or moving into, the features. I know that here in Living Dunes, the developer here uses special materials to help make the homes very safe.
Right.
And that's something that you take into consideration to lower their premiums, the homeowner's premium.
It does. A lot of times people are shocked when they see the difference in premium from a national carrier to someone that specializes along the coast when you have a builder that goes along with the protocol too and builds it to the specs that they're looking for.
Now, is this neighborhood being so close to the ocean right now, is this does this require flood insurance?
This area is an ex-flood zone, actually. So you're less than a quarter mile from the beach, and an ex-flood zone is what many people say not in a flood zone, but it's not lender required, and it's outside of the high-risk area they deem.
So the homeowner doesn't have to get it, the lender doesn't require it,
Correct.
But it's probably still a good idea maybe that they would entertain the premium and policy.
Right. We always say we're selling peace of mind with flood insurance.
Absolutely.
So if you take out flood and we get a Category 5 hurricane coming, at least when you evacuate, you know you have flood coverage.
Sure. So if these homeowners are buying as a second home now, looking to relocate and retire into one day, do you deal a lot with that?
We do, yeah.
Okay.
There's different rates for secondary homes compared to primary, or some people buy it, rent it out for a few years, and then move down. But we've got carriers that will write all three different types.
That's wonderful.
Yep.
Well, Ben, thank you so much for being with us today.
No problem.
I know you're an expert here along the Grand Strand, and it was just a pleasure to have you. It was good to see you.
Thank you. Good to see you.
Wow, this is beautiful. I love it.
Our owner suites always feature the 10-foot ceiling, the transom window above the bed, lots of light in this room.
It is beautiful. It's large.
It really is a good size room. They're always going to be able to hold a king size bed, 2 bedside tables. Crown mold is standard in the owner suite as well.
Nice, and I love how the floors transition throughout the house, the same flooring.
Well, that is an upgraded feature. Normally you would have carpet in the bedrooms and the wood flooring in the hallways.
Wow.
A lot of people do like to upgrade to the wood floor into the master bedroom though.
Yeah, love it. Okay, you have to show me the owner's bathroom.
All right, let's go look at it.
Yeah. Wow, look at this. This is beautiful. I love the 2 sinks and the countertop.
Always the double vanity. You've got the same quality cabinetry in the bathrooms that you do in the kitchen. So it's going to be the soft closed drawers, dovetail. You've got a linen closet in this plan. You've got a huge master shower, which is always tiled, and a big walk-in closet.
You know I love a big walk-in closet.
Oh, all us ladies do, don't we?
Yes. Now tell me about these sinks. I see that they're round and that's very popular, but can they also do square? Because
We have a lot of options, yes, absolutely.
Okay.
We offer square sinks, we offer numerous different features.
Nice. So tell me what is standard in here?
Standard in here would be the tile floors, the tiled shower. You have a semi-frameless shower door right there. You've got, standard would be a granite on the counter. This is that quartzite like we had in the kitchen.
Yes.
And then you've got a glaze on these cabinets, which is a little bit of an upgraded feature you can add to the cabinetry if you like. The mirror standard, a lot of people opt to do a separate mirror package there, maybe change up the lighting package a little bit. For the most part, most people don't change up too much in the master bath.
Yeah, the standard is still high quality.
Absolutely, it's beautiful, isn't it?
It really, really is.
What do you think of the upstairs?
My goodness, this house is wonderful. The floor plan is great. It's going to fit so many people.
This is one of our mid-size homes as well. Those are really large bedrooms upstairs. And how about that lounge area?
Love it.
A lot of people like that to use it as a home office since so many people are working from home these days.
Yeah, definitely. The lifestyle has changed and a lot of people are looking for that.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I know Jason's excited about the amenities, so let's go find them.
All right, let's go. Hey Jason, I see you found the townhome.
Hey Catherine, I did. It's so beautiful from up here. The views are just terrific from the community, but I had no idea you offered townhomes. I thought they were just detached houses.
Absolutely, we offer some beautiful multifamily products. But come on down, I want to show you the pool and clubhouse.
I'd love to see it. I'll be right down. So Catherine, I love the townhomes and I love the model house. Can you tell me a little bit about the construction here at Living Dunes?
Well, absolutely. What really sets us apart is we build 2x6 construction. We use isonine spray foam in all the exterior walls and up under the roof line. We have steel cables in the walls, and the best feature are the top-of-the-line hurricane impact windows that we put in every home. So they're hurricane fortified homes.
Wow, you know, working for a lot of clients coming from the north and relocating down south to a coastal area especially, that's something that's really important to them is safety from these storms.
It gives them such peace of mind
Sure.
when they come here and they find that these homes are in a safe zone and well protected and well insured.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Well, I really want to go look at the pool.
All right, great, let's go. Come on, Jace, let me show you the beautiful pool.
This is beautiful in here. Wow, this is a pool. Catherine, you weren't kidding. Thank you so much for having us today. This is so beautiful, this pool. I'm so glad you showed it to me. Now, do all the homeowners get access to this?
Absolutely. They come out here all hours of the day and into the evening. The pool's lit at night. It's absolutely beautiful.
I can only imagine. It's so pretty right now. And I think I saw a fire pit over there.
There is a fire pit over there, wood burning fire pit. A lot of people gather around there in the cooler evenings.
Yeah. And you know, here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, you really can enjoy this almost year round. This is really nice. Well, this is so wonderful. Thank you so much for having Jennifer and I today. I now know why Living Dunes is so popular and you're growing so quickly. You have so much to offer the consumer, and it's not just a home, it's a lifestyle purchase, and I'm just so impressed.
Well, absolutely. That's what we're selling here, is not only beautiful homes, but a true lifestyle.
Yeah. Well, Catherine, thank you so much. I'm gonna go catch up with Jennifer, and thanks for having us today.
Oh, you're welcome. Come back anytime, Jason.
So, Jennifer, what did you think of Living Dunes?
I loved it. It is beautiful here. Catherine did an amazing job walking you around, showing me the details they've put into their model homes. I really love their product here.
Yeah, Catherine did a great job, and
Yeah.
the amenity tour that I had, the pool, the clubhouse, and the fact that they don't just offer detached homes, but they offer townhomes too.
Right.
It's going to market and provide such a wonderful lifestyle to such a variety of people.
Right,
Yeah.
it is. The proximity to everything is also wonderful.
Oh, yeah.
Golf cart distance to the beach, golf cart distance to coffee shops and grocery stores. It's in a perfect location. It really is.
It is here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and that's
Yeah.
what we set out to do.
Yeah.
Try to locate and find the best lifestyle, resort-style communities
right.
here along the Grand Strand. Living
Yes.
Dunes knocked it out of the park, and to have a putting green in your community, isn't that why we live in Myrtle Beach? We
Really?
love golf.
To have this in your backyard?
Yeah.
Perfect.
All right, closest to the pin.
You're on.